Hey, what is up, everybody on YouTube, everybody watching this? It's Rage104 again. Well, I learned a little bit of butterflying, how to use it a little bit. Still the best thing I'm good at, opening and closing. I learned a cool little trick though, but I guess for like all you shankers out there, yeah, oh yeah, a little something you can do up in the hood. But hey, alright, I'm about to freestyle a little bit. Hopefully do a couple flips, hopefully not drop it or hit my monitor like I did previously trying to record something like this. I still suck at this. But here it goes. Or just drop it on the keys on my laptop. Or drop it on my crotch, which hurt. Ow. Fuck. Alright. One more time. Ah, shit, locked. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, that was my last try. Well, that's the best I could do. See you later, guys. Peace.